be someone who's never hard to find. But you are someone who needs things that I can't give you. You are someone who needs things that I don't have. Years ago I was a boy who knew what he loved. Look at me now. If it's alright with you, I'll make this very quick. And if it's too tight on you, I'll take it out a bit. This is the night that you will learn to submit. It's not like before, not anymore. When I sleep, I find I very rarely dream. Nights go by without a sound. Where am I when all those visions come to haunt me? I'm not here, I am nowhere to be found. I will find her, and I will blind her. I'll unwind her, gently bind her, and I will hold her, and I will scold her, I will unload her, I will